Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing Classy Glassy. Classy Glassy is the ceramic coating for your windshield. The kit comes with the bottle of 30 mils, I believe, and the applicator pad. Eddie did send me this free of charge for me to try out. There's never any requests for reviews or videos or anything like that, but I wanted to give it a shot, see what it does. So last night I polished the car, and at the same time I polished the windshield. There was a little bit of a storm last night, and I did do a rinseless cleanup beforehand, and now I'm just going to do the deep clean prior to prep. What I'm going to use is the glass cleaner from Detail Co, and I am going to use my Reacher kit. I did the inside just to make sure that I got the inside clean, so I'm not struggling on trying to figure out if it's inside or outside. So let's go on, get on with it. I like spraying directly on the applicator, and it's a little windy, so I'm saturating it quite a bit here. And then I'm gonna go in sideways. I did the inside up and down. That way I could tell where I have streaks or where it's still dirty. And even though it's not a huge window, I like using this. It makes it a lot easier just to reach over and grab everything clean. Then I'll get the little corners if I can't get it with this by hand. Actually, it's doing a really good job of getting into the corners. So now for the polishing side, I flip it over. And do the same thing over, just to make sure that we take away any streaks. All right, and now I do see a little bit of in the corners. I do see some dirty in the inside. I'm not going to worry about it right now. I'm going to go do the other side and finish prepping the window. Again, I'm going to spray right on the applicator. And then do a left to right horizontal cleaning. It's a little windy out here, and I can see it flashing very quickly. One more time. And then do the polish with the other side. And you can feel that the window is very grabby at this point. There's no slickness. I did all the windows on the sides and the rear. I'm going to start with the windshield here. And the instructions, let's see what the box says. On the website it said add 20 drops to the panel, or to the window, or to the applicator, then apply. Let's see. It says to apply prime. Simply prime applicator with 15 to 20 drops applied to half the windshield. Coating will flash and sweat on the surface. Buff to perfection 60 seconds later. Up to 2 years of protection. Right. I already got a leveling towel just to make sure that was handy. An applicator pad. And then let's shake this up really well. All right, I think I got enough on there. Now I'm just gonna cross hatch this on there. Do it line across. All right, so for the next step, what I'm gonna do is just buff it off. I know it's less than 60 seconds, but it has just dried off. It's drying off or flashing off, and you can instantly tell the slickness. And that's wild. It is instantly slick. I can tell when I'm grabbing areas where it didn't have any coating. Now I'm gonna flip this around. Yeah, you can definitely tell it's on there. Let's see. That's coming down. I'll throw it over on that other side. It's not moving. Wow. All right, let's do the other side. Again, I'm going to shake it up a little bit before applying. This time, I shouldn't have done that. I'm applying like 10 drops since it's already primed. Maybe it was a little bit more, but the wind is making it dry out, flash very quickly. So, oops, almost messed it up there. This time I'm going to box it in. That way I'm a little bit more precise. And then I'll do the crosshatch. Oh, let's see. That's good. Yeah. I'm coming over here for a different angle, see if I can see any high spots. I don't see anything. I think it's good to go. All right, so that was it. It's fairly simple. Gonna finish the rest of the windshield or the windows, the rest of the car, and go from there. And I'll give you an update in a few weeks to a few months. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you later.